Good morning, I'm Lynn and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. Today, not sure what's going to happen. I know that I have to mow the lawn, but I know you're not too interested in that. But we are going to go around and check the barns out. Arnie's out cultivating the fields and disking the fields, and he's going to be spreading some fertilizer out there, so we'll see that today. Check this little guy right now because I hear him crying. And right now, I guess we'll start it off by going to feed him a bottle. Hi, Tom. Are you hungry? Are you really hungry? Come on, then. There. How hungry can you really be? How you doing? Would you like a little bit more? Arnie gave him some food, but he's making noise like he maybe wants more. I'll go make you a bottle, okay? Okay, sounds like a good plan. You are a good little boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah. I got your bottle here. We haven't seen him drinking off Mom yet, so I'm not sure. But I see him around her often enough. I'm really looking forward to seeing him on her. Here, come here. Come here. Oh, you're heavier. That's for sure. You're getting so much bigger. Oh, good job. Slow, buddy. Don't guzzle. There you go. Even though he's been in here taking a bottle, he's definitely gained weight. You're doing a great job, and he's way more mobile, and you can see that he's happy now, like he's hopping around. His joints are still a little swollen, and he's a bit knuckled over on his feet, but that should straighten up on its own. Hey, buddy. Take a breather. Take a breather. You're just nuzzling a little too fast. There you go. Here. There you go. Part of it is that I really do think they like the attention. And it's funny because every time he's taking a bottle, Mom starts to chew her cud. You're such a good mommy. You're doing a fantastic job, buddy. He's already had a bottle this morning. Arnie was in here not too long ago, but Arnie said he was acting a little more hungry. Would you like a little more, or are you just here for attention and some loving? I think you're done. I think you're done. Well, you drank half of that, and that's probably plenty for a little lad your size, considering you already had some. There he is. Say hi. Hi there, little fella. Hi, Mom. You're really nice, too. Yeah, such nice ones. Hey, Mama, don't worry. That's just Katie. She doesn't harm. Yeah, you're a good girl, too. Yeah, he's just had some struggles. He has. But he's going to be okay. Yep. We really didn't have too much hope for this guy, to be honest. But you have to try, right? And sometimes they surprise you. Hey, Mom, you look like you're really friendly, too. Yeah. There they are. Okay, off to do some more work now that you guys are good. So here is the mother who was so nervous about her lambs. So she's still sitting a little off from the group with her two lambs. But at least she's not screaming and hovering right over them. But those are her two lambs, and that's the one Dorset in here. Hi, you guys. Do you have a hover, Mom? There's our little ram lamb that we're extremely hopeful for. It's the last born one, so it's not one that people would be wanting to buy anyway. So I'm thinking if he turns out well, he could be a breeder for us. And in this pen, all the rest of the lambs are laying under the feeders there with mums chewing their cuds because they all have had their breakfast. So right now they're going to rest and digest. I'm going to back off from you. I know that you're a little upset with us around your lambs, but we're not going to harm them. And here's these boys. I got to take some pictures of these guys today because I got someone interested in Manitoba. So they're looking for a Dorset ram and a Suffolk ram. So we'll get some pictures of these dudes. Hi, buddy. Hi. There's Casanova again. And who are you? You came for a visit too? Hi. Who's that in there? Is that you? Is that you? I think it is. Hi. And what about you? How's it going? You don't like your tuff being touched? How come? And this is Cracker. He's still a little love bug, aren't you? Once a love bug, always a love bug. You're a good boy. Okay, so these are all the girls that just got weaned. It was a noisy night last night. Hi, girls. These guys are having a harder time being weaned off than our first group, because the first group we had let the lambs out running in the yard every day, and I think the ewes got used to the lambs being away. These guys, we had started running the lambs in the pasture, but most of them did stay in. They were a different type of group. So as a result, this group is not too happy. Sorry, girls. Now, it could be that they're on first cut hay, and that's what they're complaining about, and no grain, because they'll complain very loudly about that, too. Hi, buddy. Yes, that's it. You're all done. You're all done. You should be weaned by now. You should be weaned by now. Okay, time to let these guys out. I think you want some more dandelions, don't you? You're looking for some more dandelions. Because we know you're the one that likes the dandelions. I don't know what gives it away, but something does. And they're off. That group's off to the pasture. We got the March moms and lambs out on this paddock today because the other February lambs were out here yesterday, so we rotate them back and forth. And this is the February newly weaned group. You guys weren't too happy last night. The noise was overwhelming. Okay, now time to let this group out. Are you looking forward to it, you guys? Hi. Hi, you guys. You guys want to go outside? Do ya? You're so polite waiting here. Now don't run me over, okay? Because that's not very nice. You have to really get out of the way because they will. They'll run you right over. So as is common during planting season or harvesting season, you'll have a breakdown. So Arnie was disking the field back here and one of the axles broke off. So he lost 6 discs, and of course it's Friday, so we probably won't have the new one until maybe Monday, Tuesday. But right now what he's gonna do, instead of stopping because he's almost done disking, and then after that he cultivates it, he's gonna try run it with one axle missing. And I'm going to go back to the field to try find the 2 discs and the part of the axle that fell off so that he doesn't damage any other equipment. We found the pieces in the field. We lost 2 of these. The actual discs came off, and we lost this thing. Boing. So they're all back. So all we're waiting for is, this is the axle here, this rod piece, and it's severed in half. So I must have hit a rock or something, and when the axle severed in half, the discs and that little spacer there fell off. So we just had to find that. And like I say, those parts are back, and Arnie's just finishing off that field. And it seems to be working fine without this. I think this is like a 5-foot piece. Seems to be working just fine. So looks like he's going to get it done as long as nothing else falls off. Right now Arnie's off to spread fertilizer on the fields. I'm just talking on the video. I said that you're going to do fertilizer. And hopefully he won't break that. What? You have a little white thing there? 3,500 in there. That's right. We're in the wrong business. We need to send fertilizer. So that's going to go over there. That's going to go on the fields right now. That's the fertilizer spreader. It's very, very expensive fertilizer the last few years. God knows why. They have all their reasons. And what I'm doing. The lawn. Okay. So my job is done. We mowed the lawn today. We have a really big lawn. I don't know how many acres, but it takes me 3 hours to mow the lawn because I do around the barns and stuff too. But almost all the leaves are out. Our locust tree here gets its leaves the last, and the apple tree's just starting to get its blossoms, and the lilacs are just starting to come out as well. So next week I imagine it'll be full of flowers around here. But that's a big job done and out of the way. I just have to get working on the weeding. I've done spot weeding in a lot of the gardens, but little by little we get there, right? Arnie finished putting this fertilizer on. It's empty now. All the fields are done, and he just went back there to continue on with cultivating now, which works the fertilizer into the ground and makes the stuff that he disked earlier this morning smoother, so it's kind of like a flat bed to plant the seeds in. And right now we're in here to feed little guy. I'll feed the cats at dinner too. Hi little guy, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you nursing off your mom? I don't know. Is he nursing off you, Mom? Hi, how you doing? You guys look really nice. Yeah, you do. Let me go in there now. Oh, little guy, come on. Oh, you're doing such a good job. You look like a little shuffler. Yeah, you just shuffle around, but you do a good job at shuffling. Silly boy. You're a good shuffler. Yeah. Hi. A little warm. Come on. Come on. What's the problem? Were you drinking off your mom and you're not really hungry? Eh? How's your legs doing? They're a little bit crooked. Yeah, they're just a little crooked. Do you like a little more? Come on. There you go. Come on. You know, I'm kind of thinking that he has been drinking off Mom, because he should be hungry after all that time. There. Has Mom been supplying it? I hope so. Have you been feeding him? Does she look like you're a nice feeding mom? Yeah, you do. You look like you would be a good mom. Yeah, you do. Okay, so we don't force it. I'm gonna say that he's maybe nursing. Good for him. Still haven't seen them, but usually that's how we tell if they're nursing, because the bottle baby will all of a sudden stop nursing. I've always been of the belief that your yard and your house is a reflection of you, and I find that if people are coming to buy breeding stock, they want to see a well looked after yard and stuff. It kind of shows people that you've got pride in what you do. And usually if your yard is tidy, your sheep are tidy, your life is tidy, you're an organized person and you care about doing things right. And I find that there's nothing worse than going to look at some sheep and you drive up and it's basically a disaster area. Right away, it's gonna give me probably a really true picture of what the sheep are gonna be like as well. So we work hard at the yard too. And right now, I'm tired. It's really hot. Maybe I got a suntan today. and I'm going to call that a day. I hope you enjoyed your time at Ewetopia Farms today, and if you did, please give us a like and send us a comment, and be sure to subscribe. And of course, join us again tomorrow for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.